Sub YouTube. I got a package today. Another one. This is my second one from Warehouse Skateboards. Yes, Warehouse Skateboards. So I'm going to unbox it. This box got beat up a little in the mail. Got a bunch of paper. Got some receipt. All messed up. Alright, what I ordered is a pair of trucks I have here. Alright, I got a pair of Royal trucks. Got Royals. They're size 8.0. They're lows. Called the Royal 4 5.25 inch low raw / anno gold skateboard truck. These trucks look nice. Again, 8.0. Real. I got the gold base plate. These are not hollow, so I'll have to see how that works. If not, then I might just switch out the base plate for my independence. But I'll take it out. Yeah, these are my new trucks. Again, Royals. There, the Royal low raw / anno gold skateboard trucks. Alright, that's my unboxing.